It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite dish, your favorite recipe. I'm excited. I don't know about you, but you know what I mean? I got something for you to be excited also. Anyway, today we want to talk about human being body, your body. You know what I mean? A lot of people doesn't know that you can detox your body. You know what I mean? Detox your bodies, you can do it in many different kind of ways, but I'm gonna share one of my idea with you guys. You can detox your body at home. Very easy and simple recipe. Very cheap. It's nothing too expensive. Yes, ginger might have a little price, but not too much more than a pack of cigarettes. So guys, we all can fit the gap. We all can fit it. We all can fix it. We can do so many things. And today we want to talk about how you can detox your body at home, guys. It's very important. A lot of people doesn't know that detox your body is one of the most important thing you could ever do in your whole entire life. You know what I mean? Every day we get up, we eat, you know what I mean? Especially if you're a person who eat meat. We're talking about like beef, pork, all the chicken, you know what I mean, fish, all of these things. You know what I mean? When you eat all of these things, what it go inside of you and it sleep like a fat. But this is what happened. When you detox your body mean you're gonna fight against beef, chicken, pork, goat meat, lamb, all of these things which inside of your body need to clear away and make your system renewing in your whole body. So that's how we talk about detox your body, which is very important, guys. And I'm telling you, if you do this at home, honestly, your whole entire life gonna be changed. You're gonna be, you know what I mean? You're gonna be fresh. You're gonna be renewing in your soul. And I'm telling you today that yes, ginger might have price, but I'm telling you, a lot of people buy cigarettes, and a lot of people buy a lot of more different stuff. But I'm saying, spending a £2.50 or a £3 on a piece of a ginger, which something which is really can help your system to detox your body. Water is not like, you know what I mean, water is fine. But anyway, today guys, we want to talk about detox your body, which is very important. We're gonna show you to the point. We're gonna give you the whole recipe where you can do this at home, guys, and you're gonna change your own entire life. So please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Follow the recipe. Share with your friend. Tell someone how to do this one at a home, how to detox your body, how to make your system just, you know what I mean? Because for me, I've been detoxing my body since I learned about the recipe over the last couple of months now, and I'm telling you, the way I feel, I can't explain it to you. You have to do it. You have to do it, guys. I can explain it to you. And today we're going to show you how you can detox your body at home. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. We're working very hard, guys. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, I just feel so excited about the recipe. So hopefully this will be a benefit to you and your family. Thank you so much. And remember, subscribe to the channel. Donate, you know what I mean, to the channel and make we get more stuff. And you know what I mean, build a YouTube channel. We got a new brand. We're going to launch a new brand studio, guys. So, you know what I mean? There's a lot of stuff in the pipeline. Lovely and nice. As I said, we've been talking about how to detox your body at home, which is very important. I'm saying right here, I got a piece of a ginger. You can see just a nice, lovely chunk of a ginger. What I did earlier, I removed the skin by peel it and remove the skin on the outside. So basically what you want to do is two things. You could use your smoothie blender or your blender and just simply chop it. You're not going to be blending it out finely and smoothie just going to chop it. But just to make life a little bit more easier, I just say, you know what, I'm going to use my grater. The best part of the grater to use is right here. So basically what I'm going to simply do is simply grater this just like this for 2 seconds. Less than 2 seconds, guys. As you can see, it's not going to take long. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, exactly what's just done inside of the bowl right here. It's just a little piece of a ginger. And as you can see, we're gonna show you how you can detox your body at home. Very easy. As you can see, that's how you want to make your ginger look if you're even gonna do it inside of the blender. Okay? You don't want to make it too finely or too grate tight, like you want to grate tight. No. You want to use this side of the grater, which is very important. Okay? Basically, what you're gonna do is simple. Pour 2 cups of water, and I'm using some hot water at the moment. So basically, what we are doing right here, we're making a detox tea drink. All right? So basically, that's 1 cup of water, and we're gonna put another one, and we're using hot water. Lovely. So as you can see right here, what we want to do, we want to make this simmer and set right here for a nice good 10 minutes. Basically, you could either use cinnamon, this is a powder one, or you could either use the stick. All right? So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the stick, and I'm going to break a piece of the stick and put it straight inside of the water to get the flavor from the cinnamon inside of the water. But I want to simply say to you guys that, you see, the cinnamon, I want to say the cinnamon do have something to do with detoxing your body, guys. It's just so wonderful and nice when you know you're going to use the cinnamon, because cinnamon is really good for you. A lot of people doesn't know that. But what happened, I didn't want to put like the powder straight inside of in the water just like that. I prefer use a piece of cinnamon stick, or if you can't get the stick, you can also use the powder one. All right, it's up to you. It's option, guys. You don't have to put it inside of it, but it's very important to use it inside of it. And also, I just want to simply say to you, you don't need to add honey. You know what I mean? You just want to keep it natural. You know, that's what I want to do today. I want to keep it natural because I'm detoxing my body, and I'm telling you, the way I'm doing it at the moment, guys, it is working. And I'm sharing my idea with you. You know what I mean? There's a lot of men out there who have a lot of big stomach, and they want to get rid of the stomach just like me before. I did have big stomach, and I get rid of my big stomach. So basically, I have 3 lemon, and I'm going to use this one, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my glass right here. And I'm going to simply slice my lemon down like this. I'm just going to cut off these 2 pieces right here. And we're not going to use those 2 pieces. So basically, I'm going to cut it down into half, just like this. And if any seed, I'm just going to remove the seed. And simple cut some slices. And I'm going to put it straight inside of this container right here. And what we're going to do now is cut the other off. And I'm gonna put this other off straight inside of it, just like that. So what we wanted to do now, I just want to leave the cinnamon and the ginger in the hot water for a nice good 10 minutes until it simmer and get all of those lovely flavor from the cinnamon and from the ginger. And we're gonna strain it straight inside of this one right here. And then we'll move to the next level, guys. You're gonna love it. And this is the best way to detox your body, guys. It's just amazing way to do this, and I know you're gonna love this one. Nice and lovely. So it's roughly about 15 minutes now. I said 10 minutes, but you know what I mean, linging around, it's gone over about 15 minutes now. So basically what we want to do is to strain this nice lovely ginger right here with the hot water. So basically, we're gonna pour it straight inside of it, just like this. Nice and lovely. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna squeeze, get all of those flavor from it, from the ginger. You don't wanna leave anything inside, guys. You wanna get everything out, to be honest. Lovely. So as you can see, right here. So what you want to do, you want to leave this for the next day. You don't want to, basically, you don't want to say, oh, I'm just going to just pop this in my fridge and, you know what I mean? No, you want to do it the right and proper way. This way now, what you're gonna do is to pour it straight inside of, before I even pour it, as you can see, the looks of it looking like a ginger beer, but it's not ginger beer. But it looks so lovely and nice. So what we want to do, we want to pour it into a container like this. We want to get all of these lemon inside of the water. So basically, we want to get all of those lemon straight inside of the water. There's a lot of flavors in this water, guys, I'm telling you. Lovely and nice. Then I might have to put the rest straight inside of it like that. Lovely. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna cover it. Do not put this in your fridge. You want it at a room temperature. The room temperature gonna work more effective. And all you're gonna use this now, guys, you need to follow the instruction, else it's not gonna be working. The best way how to do this is when you wake up in the morning, you drink this first. And you wanna have it at a room temperature, please. Don't put it in the fridge and say, oh, that's what Chef Ricardo said. No, you want it at a room temperature, guys. So please, as I said before, have it in a room temperature. In the morning when you wake up, the first thing what you're gonna do is drink some of this in the morning. If not, what you can also do, you can bring it to work and also have it in your office and you can drink it through the day. Also, that's work very, very, very good. And second thing, you can share it with your manager, with your friend at work. And if they want to see the video, send them to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show and they can watch the video and make it at home. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you. This will help you how to detox your body, guys. And I'm telling you, it's just brilliant. And I know this will be someone gonna say, you know what, thank you so much, Chef Ricardo. Write your comments below and thank you so much. And hopefully this will help you to lose a lot of weight and a lot of fat. So guys, that's what we are about. There's a lot of men out there have a big stomach just like myself when I used to have it before. Now it's gone. So I know that it can work. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you. Hopefully it will help you. And also, thank you so much for watching my cooking show and see you next time. Bye-bye.